Oh, I know what to do. I can slide and die.
He belongs here on the island with us, not in some home put out to pasture by the archdiocese.
When I was a kid, I feel like you heard the term, don't cry.
Hello all, let me be real with you. I have tested a ton of AI avatar tools lately and most struggle with natural lip sync. That's why Alibaba's new Fantasy Talking caught my attention. It's built on their Qwen 2.1 model, and after putting it through its paces, I can tell you it handles facial expressions better than anything else.
Ever seen one of those videos where the character's lips move like a bad 90s dub? Yeah.
I generated several test videos to show you what I mean. Some turned out great, others not so much.
Hey, Daya is an open weights text-to-dialogue model. You get full control over scripts and voices. Wow, amazing. Try it.
The key difference is frame rate settings. When the audio moves fast, but the video FPS is too low, you get awkward delays like this example, where the mouth movements lag behind the speech. But when you dial in the settings correctly, the results are surprisingly good.
Hey, Daya is an open weights text-to-dialogue model. You get full control over scripts and voices.
The model doesn't just animate a mouth, it renders the entire face naturally, complete with subtle expressions. I was particularly impressed with how it handled pauses in speech. Unlike other tools that freezes awkwardly, Fantasy Talking maintains natural micro-expressions during breaks. For those who don't want to install locally, there is a Hugging Face demo available. But keep in mind, this is not a video editor. You can't feed it existing footage to modify. It generates entirely new videos from an image and audio file you provide. The cool part is, you can control how animated the character is through simple text prompts, from subtle head nods to dramatic hand gestures. Now let's talk about running this in ComfyUI, because that's where things get interesting. I built my workflow starting from the basic example included in the Qwen wrapper, then modified it to match my testing needs. The first thing you'll notice is how everything connects. It's not just about the talking avatar model. You have got the Qwen 2.1 image to video model doing the heavy lifting for the actual video generation, while Fantasy Talking handles the lip sync magic. What surprised me was how the Wave to Whack model from Facebook comes into play. It's not something you manually install. The custom node handles that automatically on first run. This model analyzes your audio file and helps coordinate the mouth movements. I did not expect this part to work so smoothly, but it actually does a decent job matching phonemes to facial expressions. So here is how to set up the core components in ComfyUI. Your first step is load the Qwen 2.1 image to video model, that is of 480p version, works best for most systems. This will be your base model for all video generation. Next is configure the VAE and text encoder using standard Qwen 2.1 components. These are smaller support files that help with image quality. The real magic happens in the image preparation nodes. You need to properly resize and encode your input image before it hits the video generation stage. I found that keeping everything at 512 into 512 gave me the best balance between quality and performance. Though you can push it to 1024 by 1024 if your GPU can handle it. What surprised me was how much the CFG scale affects this too. At lower values around 7, the movements stay subtle. Crank it up to 12 and you get more dramatic head tilts Analyze your audio file first. Count syllables per second in the fastest section. So next step is set matching values in both the Fantasy Talker node and video combination. For example, for rapid dialogue, you can use FPS 30, steps 40, CFG 9. So these settings are for fast rapid dialogue. So here is what we can expect from this is it will take longer time, but the sync will be better. The body language controls are where this really shines. Through simple text prompts in the image to video node, I made the same avatar deliver identical lines with completely different energy.
How to reset your life when you are feeling lost. Dear friends, good day to everyone. On this long journey of
One version just nerfed slightly, while another dramatically. It's not perfect sometimes, the gestures don't quite match the speech tone, but when it works, it looks surprisingly natural.
how to reset your life when you are feeling lost.
I also experimented with integrating DITTS for text-to-speech. While the voice cloning is not as polished as 11 Labs, the emotional range is impressive. Adding laughter and pauses actually made the avatar smile and breathe at the right moments. There is this one test where the character chuckles after saying killer playlist.
Hey, Daya is an open weights text to dialogue model. You get full control over scripts and voices.
But seeing an AI generated face actually react to vocal inflections was wild. So my tests included everything from photorealistic faces to anime characters. Hello everyone. Here is an update about Skyreels and then lip sync adapted surprisingly well to each style. Typical speaking 28 FPS worked best for my use case. A few final lessons from all this testing. First, always preview your audio waveform in advance. Those rapid spikes mean you'll need higher FPS. Second, start with CFG 7 to 9 for subtle movements before trying dramatic gestures. So that's all for today's video. If you like this content, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.